in 7 days, I would have basically jumped from a plane, and hopefully I'd be speaking to the camera, telling you all about it. So as we came down from the plane, Chloe said something which really got to me. She said, the next time we get on a plane, we're gonna jump from it. And to be honest, she's right. We're waiting for our bags, but I don't want to think about it. We have 2 more days of exploring the region. We can't skydive here in Italy. The closest alternative is Slovenia. So we're gonna basically drive 3.5 hours tomorrow morning, early morning. We're gonna wake up at 3 to skydive there. It's still gonna be in between 2 large hills. We've just spent a whole day going out and about. I'm a bit sunburnt. I haven't stopped thinking about the skydive all day. I'm basically less than a bit over 12 hours away from jumping out of a plane. I don't even know what I feel. We just got to the hotel. We're gonna rest early because early wake-up call. (4:30 a.m. We're gonna start our 3-hour drive. Let's do this. 4 to 6 minutes away from the skydiving spot. We've crossed the border. First part of the drive was a bit scary, pitch black roads, but we made it. 3 hours, 15 minutes later, it's 7:45, we arrived in Bovec. Now we're at a gas station, gonna eat something before the jump. Look at the view, guys. 20 minutes away. A week ago, I was thinking about how I should do the jump. Now I can't think anymore, just gonna suit up and up we go.
Congratulations! That was, wow, best experience of my life. Thank you so much, guys. Wow. Oh, you like it? I love it.
And just like that, we skydived. I can't believe that just 7 days ago, I was looking up what could go wrong during a skydive, what to do, what not to do, how best to go about it, how best to approach it, to now, 7 days later, having skydived from arguably the best skydiving site in the world. The feeling of free fall, it's something I can't describe. You have to experience it if you want to truly know what it feels like, looking down on the earth, the Alps on both sides. Something totally incredible. I feel like I've rediscovered myself, and I can't wait to jump again. It's an addicting thing. So yeah, I would like to apologize in advance if skydiving is the only thing I can talk about the next time we meet, but I'm a skydiver now, so I can't help it. Skydiving will definitely be something I do every time I go abroad. So I guess the only question left is, where will I skydive next?